Welcome back to Debunking Real Estate Myths. In our series on commission realities, we've uncovered how agents are compensated and the importance of transparency. It's a common suspicion that the higher the selling price, the higher the commission, and therefore agents must be incentivizing overpricing homes. While at first glance the logic seems to make sense, the reality is much more complex. Let's break it down. Today we're addressing a widespread myth, the belief that agents deliberately overprice homes to increase their commission. It's a topic that stirs much debate, so let's dive into the economics of pricing and debunk this myth with facts. Firstly, let's talk about the agent's incentive. While it's true that commission is a percentage of the sale price, the difference made by slightly higher prices is often marginal for the agent, especially when split with the brokerage and considering the agent's expenses. The real value for an agent is in turning over sales efficiently and maintaining a good reputation. Now, consider the market dynamics. Overpriced homes tend to linger on the market longer. They attract fewer buyers, lead to fewer offers, and often result in price reductions. This delay is counterproductive for both the seller and the agent. Time is a precious commodity in real estate, and a quick, successful sale is generally preferable. Moreover, an agent's reputation is one of their most valuable assets. Consistently overpricing homes can tarnish this reputation, leading to fewer client referrals and a diminished client base. Long term success in real estate relies on trust and proven results, not short term gains from overpricing. So, let's debunk the myth. Agents want to overprice your home for a bigger paycheck. In reality, successful agents are those who price homes accurately, facilitating a faster sale, satisfied clients, and a solid reputation. Overpricing is generally detrimental to these goals. If you're concerned about pricing, communicate openly with your agent. Discuss comparative market analyses and understand how they arrived at the suggested price. A good agent will explain their rationale clearly and work with you to determine the best pricing strategy. Understanding the intricacies of pricing and commission can empower you as a seller and help dispel common misconceptions. Thank you for joining us on Debunking Real Estate Myths. Stay tuned for more myth busting insights that illuminate the real estate process. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Navigate your real estate journey with knowledge and confidence.